opinion can be weaponized. And it's okay kung gusto niyo mag-criticize, ganito, gano'n. But ang sa akin lang, you can put your point across without being, name-calling, without being rude, di ba? Kasi ako, it's against my personal beliefs. Kita mo naman ako pa, sinasabi nga nila, supposedly hard-hitting daw. No, I'm not. I don't personalize. I don't go personal. I don't character assassinate. So kung may yung opinion kayong ibigay, so advice lang sa mga social media keyboard warriors dyan. Again, you can make your point without bashing somebody na tinatawag ng mga pangalan. So if you do things like those, doon mo nasusunog yung mga tulay relationships that are important. That's why nga ako, even if I say critical things about certain coaches, PBA executives, hindi nasusunog ang tulay because it comes from a place na professional ang dating. Professional ang pag-handle. Di ba?